Welcome to Jim English Channel. Hello friends! Today, let's learn about 20 exotic fruits. Let's go! Jackfruit. Jackfruit is a very big, spiky green fruit. It can grow as big as a watermelon. Inside, it's yellow and sweet and smells a bit like bubble gum. Jackfruit is the biggest fruit that grows on a tree. Starfruit. Starfruit is yellow and shaped like a star when you slice it. So pretty. It tastes sweet and a little sour like lemon candy. Dragonfruit. Dragonfruit looks pink and spiky like a dragon's egg. It grows on cactus plants in places like Vietnam and Mexico. Inside, it's white with tiny black seeds and tastes sweet and fresh. Loquat is a small, round orange fruit with shiny brown seeds inside. It tastes sweet and juicy, like a mix of peach and mango. Rambutan is a hairy red fruit. It looks like a tiny monster ball. It grows on trees in tropical places like Indonesia and Thailand. Inside, it's white, juicy, and sweet, kind of like a grape. Durian is a big, spiky fruit that smells really strong. It grows in Southeast Asia, in countries like Malaysia and Thailand. It tastes sweet and creamy, like pudding. People call it the king of fruits. But some say it smells like old socks. Oh no! Mangosteen. Mangosteen is a small, round, purple fruit with soft, white pieces inside. It tastes sweet and juicy, almost like candy. Lychee. Lychee is a little red fruit with bumpy skin. It grows on big trees in warm places like China and India. Inside, it's white, juicy, and very sweet. Longan. Longan is a tiny brown fruit that looks like a marble. It grows on trees in China and Thailand. Inside, it's clear and juicy, a little sweet and soft. Snake fruit. Snake fruit has reddish-brown scaly skin, just like a snake. Inside, it's crunchy and sweet, like an apple and banana mixed together. Sapodilla. Sapodilla looks like a brown potato, but it's actually a fruit. Inside, it's soft and brown and tastes like caramel. Graviola. Graviola is a big green fruit with soft spikes on the outside. Inside, it's white and creamy, tasting like strawberry and pineapple mixed together. Sugar apple. Sugar apple is green and bumpy, like a pine cone. It grows on small trees in warm places like India and the Philippines. Inside, it's soft, white, and sweet, just like sugar. Kiwano. Kiwano is an orange fruit with little spikes, like a tiny dragon egg. Inside, it's green and jelly-like with lots of seeds. It tastes like banana, cucumber, and lime all mixed together. Jujube. Jujube is a small red fruit that looks like a tiny apple. It tastes sweet and chewy, like candy when it's dried. Chinese bayberry. Chinese bayberry is a red, bumpy fruit that looks like a cherry. It grows on evergreen trees in the mountains of China. It tastes sweet and a little sour, very refreshing. Gooseberry. Gooseberries are small, round fruits that can be green, red, or yellow. They taste tangy and juicy, like lemon candy. Tamarind. Tamarind grows in long brown pods on tall trees. Inside, it has sticky brown fruit that's sweet and sour. People make tamarind candy and sauces. Rose apple. Rose apple is a shiny red fruit shaped like a little bell. It tastes light, sweet, and watery like watermelon. Buddha's hand. Buddha's hand looks like a yellow fruit with long fingers. It smells fresh and lemony, but it has no juice inside. You don't eat it. People use it to make perfume and sweets, and it's a symbol of good luck and happiness. Wow, we met so many amazing fruits today. Some were sweet, some were sour, and all were special in their own way. Which fruit was your favorite?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.